So here is the bracket at the end, the knob that goes inside, and here is the bracket that goes with the knob. Joseph is going to put the bracket that goes into the motor. As you can see, it did fit. We are going to go ahead and put it up so you can check that the motor is running. As you can see, it went in perfectly. And on the other side, the same way. And this is the one that has the narrow tip, the one that goes for the Ronco. Now I'm going to have him go ahead and test it with the motor. As you can see, it does work. Everything's working fine. I am going to have him go ahead and take them apart now so we can go ahead and ship them. These are the same ones that we are going to go ahead and send to him. As you can see, one is wider than the other one. This is the one that's going to be sent to John. These two. The narrow one. There you go. The box is finished with the tracking sticker on it.